Okay, so I'm trying to diagnose the clunking that's coming from the front and clicking at low speeds. I don't know if you'll be able to hear anything. It's not doing that now. Uh, let's see. It's not doing it now, but it just did it like a few minutes ago. It sounds like it's coming from the left front. I don't know, I can't duplicate it now. There it was. Okay. And there's another issue that I'm seeing, but I don't know if it's actually an issue yet, is that there's this center support. So when I move this front axle back and forth, there's play, and I can kind of see that that bearing is moving. It's gonna be hard to see, but oops, light fell down. But there's movement, and I don't know if that thing can be causing those, clicking or knocking noises, whatever. Like those noises are usually like they appear like at slow speeds and stuff. So I don't know if that's that. But also like when you move that like half shaft like up and down, there's some play. So I would have to check something else. Maybe there's something else that's in this car, but yeah, that's basically it. So the first thing that I found was actually that this right front wheel, it had only 3 lug nuts. So I don't know how it happened. Somebody probably removed those 2 lug nuts or something, I don't know, and they were basically gone. So yeah, I don't know how's that possible, but this wheel only had 3 lug nuts. Maybe that's what was causing this noise, but I'm gonna go and test drive it really soon and see. I'm gonna put 2 more lug nuts, so it has all lug nuts now in this thing. Okay, so I'm driving right now, and it's really interesting because now there's no more noise. So basically my issue was that the wheel was only held on by 3 lug nuts. So that's why I was getting this like clicking noise, like kind of knocking, and would be like usually, during low speeds and stuff like that. So yeah, and what's interesting is that I thought it was coming from the left front wheel, but actually, the right front was actually loose. It was only held on by 3 lug nuts. So yeah, now when I go on slow speeds, there's like nothing basically. So there's no more clicking or anything like that. So that's basically fixed. Yeah, so I don't know. Someone probably needed those 2 lug nuts or something. Because they didn't come loose by themselves, because the last one who was working the car was me, and I always tighten all the lug nuts to specifications. So that's that. Someone just needed those 2 lug nuts, I guess. Just took it off from the car and used it. Okay. Yeah, so that's fixed basically. That's all we had to do, is just put 2 new lug nuts and tighten the wheels.